Hey guys, what's going on? Back at the shop again today, working on the Mk1. So today I decided I'm going to try to do the frame notch, get that over with. So really not that hard. I'll show you here how it's going to work. So on these trucks, the frame, kind of, if you're dropped down low enough, which this will be, your axles can contact your frame. I already have the spots I'm going to cut out marked out. Going with a 2-inch hole. Not a full like circle in your frame or anything like that, but half moon shape, I guess you'd call it. You can use a hole saw. I've done it in the past with a hole saw before, but I find it's kind of hard to do because it's not I'm not even cutting half a hole into it. So the way a hole saw works with the drill bit to guide it, I basically, before I had to weld on tabs, drill a hole in the tab to get it centered kind of where I want it on the frame. But today I'm just going to cut it out with a grinder and kind of just file it to the shape I want it. And then we're going to go ahead, cut this stainless thick wall 2-inch pipe to the shape and size we want, weld that in, grind it down, smooth it all out, and make it not look obvious. So yeah, I'll show you this step by step and we'll see how it goes. So I just finished getting the piece made up for the notch. I still got to kind of fit it a little bit better, but for being that thick of steel, it fits really good. I'm just going to pull it out though and hit it with some weld through primer just to make sure it doesn't get any corrosion on the inside. I know it is stainless steel, but it would be nice just to make sure. So, after about hour and a half or so, we got one notch done, all ground down, ready to not hit the axle. A lot of work, well worth it in the end. There's a few little pinholes I'm just going to put a tack on, grind it off, but for the most part, that's good. So yeah, that's one side, now I just have to do the other. Anyway. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.